Hey everyone, it's Jeff from J.Viper Designs. On this week's video, well, more of a slideshow, we're showing the teardown process we did on a 1920s power hack saw. This is how the saw looked and sounded since I was a kid helping my uncle in his welding shop. I started by taking off the vise. Next, we take off the part that the saw blade mounts to. Now we're taking off the blade lift handle and chain from the counterweight. Taking off the pulley for the chain. Taking off the top bar support, sliding off the counterweight, now taking off the lift prop rod, next we remove the saw arm support, next we take off the pulley safety cover. Next, we take off this random loop, removing the counterweight support rod, removing the two rods with the slide, this is the underside of the slide, note the two brass gibs, removing the two rails, removing the bottom part of the slide, next, we're removing one of the output shafts and the gear cover. Next, we're removing the front output shaft and the two pillow blocks. Removing the electric motor. Note the main shaft is still on. The pulley is welded to the shaft. Now we're removing the mounts for the pillow block. Now we're removing the mount for the three wheels, the motor, and also the two legs. We safely remove the paint and prep for new paint job. I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also stay tuned for a follow-up.